Hi, I'm Router Bob. Welcome to ShopSabre Minutes. Wouldn't it be neat if you could do laser engraving with your ShopSabre CNC router? I'll show you how. The ShopSabre JTech Laser Engraving option is a great way to retrofit laser engraving technology into your ShopSabre CNC system. Whether you want to engrave your company logo into cabinet parts, etch designs into your signs, or even add decorative art to some of your products, this technology opens up a whole new way of adorning products, big or small. And one of the best parts about this, your Vectric VCAR Pro software can actually be used to create the designs and output them to the machine. Pairing the JTech engraving laser with your ShopSabre CNC technology is an economical way to stay ahead of the competition. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you need more information, you can contact us at shopsabre.com. Thank you for watching.